mentioned. You see, this is why, really. This is just why I'm your only friend. I'm your only friend, Rochelle. And I think what I'm trying to say is, just come sit next to me. Come on. There's no music, Rochelle.
Something. Feel it. Yeah.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
We're like moving.
I don't care.
We're going pretty fast.
I don't care.
I can slow down.
I don't care.
Nicole, I mean,
I don't care, Rochelle.
why?
Get the fuck out of the car.
I'm dancing.
Get the fuck out of the car! Get the fuck out of the car, Rochelle! Get the fuck out of the car! Get out of the fucking car now! Get out of the fucking car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Okay! That's what happens when. See, if I was to throw, say, this chunk of wood at you, right? That hurts, doesn't it?
Ow. Yes.
It sounded rather like I was throwing it on concrete, except it, you know, I wasn't. What I'm trying to say, Rochelle, is that you don't have this condition of which you're talking, do you? You don't have it.
I might have
You're lying.
of concrete.
You don't have bones of concrete, Rochelle. I think everyone knows that I actually threw that piece of wood at the concrete, not at you. Because you're a wimp, and because I want to hurt you.
Discuss that when we play later on.
Typical you, Rochelle. This is fucking typical of you. Okay, let's open this car to pass. You do realise your hair is not on fire, don't you, Rochelle?
So wait, my hair isn't actually on fire.
No, I don't think you'd feel the heat and, you know, pain caused by such a fire. You know?
Yeah. Unless you had sleeper.
Never forget your seatbelt. Never forget. Seatbelt. Seatbelt. Buckle your seatbelt. Never forget. Anyway, fuck, no, I've forgotten my line. Because I could have said seatbelt, no.
No, I said sleeper.
Seeper?
Yeah.
What's that?
Something sensitively to pain. You cannot feel pain at all.
Oh. Oh, I thought you said seatbelt, and I just started singing about seatbelt there.
That's what I was like, where do you get seatbelt from? And I realised you probably got that from seatbelt.
Oh well. That's a hilarious outtake as well. Whoa! All these outtakes are gold. Okay.
I'll say.
So just come and sit down next to me. You know you wanna. You know you wanna. You know you wanna. Come sit. What? Belt.
Nicole, you didn't know that it was black, right?
Get out. Get out. Not you. You stays in. Out. And that's what happens when.
No, I just want to try something different.
Yeah? Kind of like how priests want to just molest children. Get your foot out of my face.
No,
Yes.
it turns me on.
It doesn't turn me on, okay? So that's non-consensual, okay? That's assault.
It doesn't-
And I will have you charged.
It doesn't matter, it just has to turn me on.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does.